All right, so we are just adding a fully cooked patty onto our American cheese on our jumbo tortilla that I slit. Now I'm gonna come in with some dill pickles, and we're just gonna put those dill pickles right there. We're kind of making little sections on our tortilla so that we get a nice little organized lunch. This is gonna be so delicious and so easy. You can use whatever meat you like, ground turkey, impossible meat, whatever you prefer. You can use that for your patty. With those pickles, I'm gonna bring in some diced onion and we're gonna sprinkle that right into that section. Make sure none of those escape. This is gonna be such an easy and delicious lunch or dinner hack. If you are a burger lover like me, this is for you. It's so good and so easy just to throw together. Okay, once we have the right amount of onions in there, we are gonna move on to our French fries. Now, I just cooked these up in my air fryer, and we are gonna put these French fries right here. I like to use the shoestring because they just fit so perfectly onto our tortilla. And who doesn't love fries with their burger? Okay, so just like the pickles and the patty, we're giving it its own section right here on the top right. Okay, add as many or as little as you like. I think that looks just about perfect. Now for sauce, I have some Thousand Island sauce. I'm gonna grab my scooper. You guys know it. This is gonna go in its section right here. Give it a nice spread. You don't wanna add too much sauce because then that's gonna make the tortilla soggy, and we definitely don't want that. 1 scoop, which is 1 tablespoon, seems perfect for our tortilla. All right, last but not least, I have some shredded lettuce. We're gonna grab a handful of this, and we are gonna put it right on top of that sauce. That sauce helps it stick to our tortilla, and we are almost done here. This is so easy and so quick. We have our 4 little sections. Now it's time for the fun part. Now remember, our patty is fully cooked and our French fries are fully cooked. So we are gonna go ahead and flip this onto our fries. Remember, we made that slit right here, so we're gonna go ahead and fold it on top of the fries. Super quick, just like that. Then, of course, you guys know it, we're gonna flip this onto our pickles. Ooh. And then one last time, we're gonna flip this onto our burger. Okay, so now we have here a little tortilla pocket filled with all the goodness, the pickles, the lettuce, the fries, the burger. We're gonna bring this to our stove. All right, our pan is nice and hot. We're adding some butter to it. Let's let that butter melt super quick. I'm gonna add in our little burger fold, and we're gonna let that get nice and crispy. Let that butter brown our tortilla, melt that cheese, just really get everything nice and cooked together. Oh, this is gonna be delicious. Now I am making this for myself, so that's why I'm using my hands. But obviously if you're making multiple for friends and family, you'll wanna use some tongs or a spatula. But let's go ahead and let this heat up. Flip this. Ooh. Oh my gosh, look how beautiful that tortilla cooked up. Yes, okay, let's have the same thing happen on the other side. And I think this is ready. Let's double check. Look at all that cheese melting in there. Oh my gosh, that is perfect. And we only lost a few pickles, that's no problem. But it is time to eat this thing. I moved it to my cutting board. Let's go ahead and cut this. Oh my, look at those layers. The French fries, the burger, the pickles, the lettuce. Oh yeah, I am ready to dive in. Okay, you guys, lunch is served. This is so good.